Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. This series is basically for those candidates who want to crack the exam of JAIIB in the November. As you know that 20 November your LRB exam is there. 20 November 2022 your exam will be there. So if you want to crack this JIB of LRB exam in single attempt, so whatever we teachers are doing in the YouTube session, in the paid batch, you have to follow that session. And if you follow sincerely, you can definitely crack this exam. So those candidates who are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel, because if you like the video now, the video will automatically come. Suppose if you want to revise the session. Okay, so in this session we are doing the important questions, and today is the class second. Okay, so before starting this session, I just want to disclose you that your second English medium batch of JIB is going to be start from 25th of July. So if you want to get enrolled in this second batch, you can easily enroll in this batch by using the code Y391. You can get discount up to 78%. Okay, and this is the live class. Ebooks will be available, test series will be available, and the recorded videos will be available anytime, anywhere. So if you are new in this session, do not forget to purchase this batch. A very good evening, Natarajan ma'am. How are you? Okay, so this is the batch which is going to be start from 25th of July, and this is the first batch which is already started from 4th of July, in which your AFB subject is going on. So if you want to enroll in this batch, you are most welcome to enroll in this batch. Okay, now, so first of all, today we are going to discuss a one legal word, and then we will start the session. So what do you mean by the term security? I'm just giving one example in which you can easily understand the term what is security, because in your LRB subject, the types of security is there. This is a very important topic of your module B. So this topic is basically from the module B. So that's why this is very important. So what is security? I'm giving you one example. Suppose this is the borrower. Borrower is there, and suppose the bank is there. Suppose borrower want 10 lakh rupees as a loan, so the bank have given 10 lakh rupees as a loan. In that case, the borrower have to give something to the bank. Why it is so? Because suppose the borrower is not able to pay the 10 lakh rupees, then what will happen? Then from where the bank will get this 10 lakh rupees? So that's why the borrower have to give some, give some property. And that property may be movable property and immovable property. Okay, so that property the borrower will give to the bank as a security. Security means that the loan is a secured one. Secured means the bank will not take any tension if he have taken the security. So security, you can say, it is the protection which is taken by bank while giving any loan to the borrower. So the one word of the term protection is this one, security. So is that the term is clear to all of you? Those candidates who are new in this session, daily we have to do the one single word of the legal, and then after that we will do the question. Okay, so I think you have learned the term security. If I give you the example, suppose the gold is the one of the type of security, then any type of goods is the security, then any immovable property just like the land and the home is the security, then shares and debentures are security, then book debt is security. So there are various examples of the security which is very important from the examination point of view. Okay, so hope so you understand this term. So now let's do with the question. Okay, first question. In the context of the letter of credit, so first of all, you have to understand that what do you mean by the term letter of credit. So in this question, in the context of letter of credit, which among the following does not match? What is first of all letter of credit? It is simply, suppose he is the borrower, he want to purchase something from the seller, but both person do not have a trust to each other. So in that case, what borrower will do? Borrower will, ask from the bank that just issue the letter of credit. That is a document which, it's a guarantee which is given by the bank to the borrower, to the seller. Okay, so this bank will issue the letter of credit. The letter of credit will given to the bank of S person, and S person bank will give this letter of credit to the seller. After getting this letter of credit, now seller will seller will give goods to the buyer, because it is a surety which is given by the bank. That is called letter of credit. Okay, so in a very single term I have tell you the exact way. Now you have to tell me the party on whose request LC is issued is called beneficiary. You have to tick mark which does not match. Okay, you have to tick mark the wrong statement. So this is the definition of beneficiary. And D option, the negotiating bank is there. The bank that make the payment to the beneficiary against the document and claim the payment from issuing bank. Bank that has the final liability on the LC if the document is received in order, that is called issuing bank. And the last one is confirming bank. Tell me the exact answer. First one, okay, Pooja ma'am. Why you not come at 7:30 p.m.? 7:30 p.m. Why? Pooja Bharti ma'am. 7:30 a.m. p.m. also LRB session is there, so you have to come at that session also and this session also. So here Anand sir have given me the exact explanation that, ma'am, if the party on whose behalf request the LC is issued, so this person is issuing, so that will be called as an applicant, because this is applicant and this person is called the beneficiary. So that's why A is the wrong answer, because that will not called beneficiary but that will call as the applicant. Excellent. Okay, Pooja ma'am, you was there, but you are not giving the answer, huh? Why? At least everybody have to participate in the question and answer series. Okay, chalo, cool. Next question. So first of all, in this question, you have to note down the one word letter of credit, beneficiary, negotiating bank, issuing bank, confirming bank. 4 words of LC you have to remember. I'm in every question I'm just giving you the hint how to write the self notes. Second question. Under the FMEA Act class, that is a Foreign Exchange Management Act, there is a provision of appeal. So the first such appeal can be made to, so under to whom we have to make the first appeal? Director, Appellate Tribunal, High Court or Supreme Court? Tell me. Okay, Chakrabarti sir. Actually, this is a tagline of the Adda. Okay. Okay, I will remove it. When I will see that the option is hiding, I will just remove this ad. Okay. Sorry. So here is Kushalender sir, Pooja ma'am. Okay. Second one. The first appeal under the FMEA. First appeal. Here, Chakrabarti sir, you have given the wrong answer. The first appeal that we have to make is the director is the exact answer. Excellent class. You have to remember these things. You have to, because these are the exactly legal fact. If you say that, ma'am, why director is the first appellant, that is written in the law. It's not ma'am answer. It is written in the law. That's why the director will be the right answer. So for the second one, A is the right answer. Okay, next. A guarantee which is issued by a bank guaranteeing the timely payment of installment class to the supplier by the applicant. Why I am just focusing or just pressing on the term installment? Because answer is given from the installment. for the machinery purpose for on a long term credit, that is called standby, performance, deferred payment or statutory guarantee. That is very easy question. In 7:30 p.m. also we have done just like this question. Same similar question, right? Pooja ma'am? Anand sir? And just try to, come in each and every session. Try to come each and every session of 7:30 p.m. also and 9 p.m. also. Because at least you can just see the question now. So for the third one, you people are absolutely right. The exact answer is deferred payment guarantee. Excellent. So those candidates who are new in this session, if these questions are new, so do not worry. Okay, because if you just do one by one question now, so the day will come when you can exactly do the right answer. Okay, fourth question. Which of the following parties in a bill of exchange do not match? Maker, drawer, pay and drawee. So you have to tick mark which does not match in the bill of exchange. Bill of exchange. BOE. In BOE, A is there, B is there. Suppose A is giving goods to B, B have to pay the money. So in that case, A will make the bill of exchange and that will written that the B have to give this rupees to the C person. So A is the maker, A is the maker, C is the pay and B is the drawee. Now just tell me which of the following does not match. I have just given you the hint that what is bill of exchange. I have just given you the hint. This is maker, pay, drawee. A very good question. The answer is given in the diagram which I have made. The answer is given in the diagram. Tell me the exact answer. So here, Priyanka ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Arnav sir, excellent. You have given the right answer. This does not match because maker is not the debtor. Drawee is the debtor. Okay, so A is the right answer. Excellent. Next, which of the following statement is not correct in the context of sale of goods? The contract of sale can be absolute, can be conditional. In absolute contract, there can be no conditions to be fulfilled by seller or buyer, or in conditional contract, the goods are transferred later, but the sale take place beforehand. What is the exact answer? Conditional contract. And candidates, do not forget to like the session. Okay, do not forget to like the session. Yes, which of the following statement is not correct regarding sales of goods? SOGA Act is very important. This question has been taken from module D, that is SOGA. Which of the following is not correct? Not correct. Nilab sir, not correct. This is not correct. The contract of sale can be absolute, can be conditional. In absolute, there is no condition exactly. So which is not correct? So if these three are correct ones, so D is not correct. So D is the right answer. Nana Prashant sir, C is absolutely right. C is absolutely right, Prashant sir, because C in absolute means no conditions. Immediate transfer of the property, that is called this one. Okay, next question. Sixth question is very good question. In the case of mortgage, so we have learned that in this question, mortgage is the topic. The limitation period against mortgagor for personal liability, you have to tell me what year. Second, against the mortgage property, it is dash year. This is against the mortgagor of personal liability. This is against the mortgagor. And for foreclosure, how many days of limitation year? The question is very good. You can also say this, the important topic is mortgage and limitation period of mortgage. So please make a notes for this one. Are Baba Chakrabarti sir, 3 in the mortgage, 3 cannot be the any, in any chance 3 cannot be the exact one. Okay, okay. See, 30. I'm just giving you the hit. Whenever this word foreclosure for this is given, 30 will be the right answer. So 30 means in that case 30 is there. So in the second against the mortgage property 12 is there. So now tell me whether it is for the personal liability, whether it is 3 or 12. Just focus, just accuracy is the key to success in your exam. Accuracy. Are Baba, Kushalender sir, C cannot be the right answer. I have given you the hint, na Baba. Answer can be from A and B. Come on, tell me the right answer. For this one, the exact answer that is given is exactly B is the right answer. B is the right answer because against for the personal liability, 3 year is the mortgage period. So B is the right answer. Okay, excellent Chakrabarti sir. Just focus on your, or just give me the accurate answer. If you don't know, just skip it. Okay, so for this one, A will be the right answer. Next question. In the case of creation of equitable mortgage, what is equitable mortgage? Again, I'm saying mortgage topic is very, very important. 6 types of mortgages given in your TP Act. You have to remember each and every type of mortgage. So in the equitable mortgage, you have to tell me which property is to be equitable mortgage must be located in. So you have to tell me the exact answer. Neelab sir, what is the limitation period? Okay. So class, tell me this answer. I'm just giving the answer of Nilab sir. Exactly. Nilab sir, limitation period means that how much time period we have in which we can file the case. Suppose Nilab sir, I and you are doing contract. Nikkita ma'am and Nilab sir is doing the contract. So suppose Nilab sir, you have just breached the contract. Okay. And for breach of contract, Nikkita ma'am have filed case on you after 5 years. So if Nikkita ma'am will file the case after 5 years, the court will say, Nikkita ma'am, why are you filing at that time? 5 years. Just get lost. It means Nikkita ma'am have to file the case within 1 year. So 1 year is the limitation period for the breach of contract. Within 1 year, you have to file the case. That is called limitation period. Nilab sir. So for the 7th one, what is the exact answer? Exactly, for the equitable mortgage, you people are absolutely right. A and B. Notified towns only, that is notified by the state government. This question is already come in your exam, that who have authority to notify the towns, that is state government, not central government. And Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata. So 7th one, D is the right answer. 7th one, D is the right answer. Okay, good. Next question. Okay, class, compared to the public company, a private limited company has a disadvantage. So there are 4 options. You have to tell me which of the following is correct. So for 8th question, the public limited public company is important. This one word, and the private limited company is there. So tell me which of the following is the correct one for the 8th one. It cannot invite public to subscribe to its share. it's about the private company. It has to absorb the restriction on transfer of its share because number of members is limited. Its share cannot be listed in the stock exchange, or it cannot obtain a loan from the bank. Which of the following is correct? Eighth one. It cannot invite public. A is absolutely right. A point is absolutely right. So the answer can be from this, this, and this. I've just given you the hint. I have just given you the hint. Eighth one. B. It has to absorb restrictions on the transfer of say. Bilkul. B is absolutely right. So B is absolutely right. So I think answer is, because if this is not the exact answer, because in this A is missing. Okay, so I think answer is already known to you. If B is right, because for the private limited company, they have to follow the restrictions. Okay, so that's why B is the right answer. So this types of question you have to do in that way. Okay, excellent. Next one. Under the RTI Act 2005, the information can be accessed under the control of public authority. Exactly. For this purpose, public authority means, I think this question we have done. Under the Constitution, public authority means that is established under Constitution, under state legislature, appropriate government, or all of the above. Again, class, for the ninth one, public authority is the actual concept. Which of the following is the right one? Tell me. So here you all are absolutely right. Anand sir and all of you, D is the right answer because public authority has been appointed for that one. So those candidates who are new in this session, you are seeing that what types of questions are coming in your LRB exam. Okay, so please try to solve each question and just please try to make the one word of each question. That will really help you. If one person can got 89 marks in LRB, so why you people not? And just take a pledge that in this year only you have to crack this exam. An unregistered partnership firm. If I talk about the partnership firm class, so the partnership firm can be registered and can be non-registered. So it is optional for the partnership firm whether they have to register or non-register. So tell me, if there is an unregistered partnership firm, so what is the consequence? Can file the suit for enforcement of contract entered into by a third party, cannot file the suit on its own partner, or other party cannot file suit on the unregistered firm. 10th one. And those candidates who are new in this session, from 25th of July, your new English medium batch is going to be start. So you are most welcome. You can enroll by using the code Y391. Yes, tell me the exact answer of 10th one. See, if the firm is unregistered now, if the firm is unregistered, it can file the suit for enforcement now. A is incorrect. A is incorrect. A is incorrect. A is incorrect. So the answer, A is correct. No. A is not correct. It is incorrect. So A is incorrect. Cannot file. This is B is right. B is right. Okay. Okay. A is incorrect. B is correct. Okay. Now let's see C. Other parties cannot file suit on this one. Tell me now. B and C, you have say cannot file. Yes, 10th one. Unregistered firm, the one quality of unregistered firm, cannot file the case. Cannot file the case. So for the 10th one, A is absolutely wrong. So this is wrong. This cannot be the right answer. Yes. B is cannot file suit. B is absolutely correct. Other party cannot file the correct. This is also correct. So what is the exact answer? What is the exact answer? B and C is the correct one that is given. So D is the right answer. D is the right answer because other party cannot file suit exactly. Cannot file suit exactly. So B and C is the correct. So that's why D is the right answer. Excellent. Chakraborty sir. Good. So you can see that this question is very important because it's talk about the unregistered firm. So these are the special consequence of the, you can say, about the unregistered firm. Okay class, so if you are new in this session, so this is the English medium batch. Use the code Y391 and get enrolled in this paid batch in which every content I will explain and all the teacher will explain in a very easy and simple manner. Other party means, Pooja ma'am, to whom we are want to do business. That is called other party. Okay, other party means the party to whom we are going to do the business. Okay Pooja ma'am, any more question? So class, if you want to get enrolled, this is the batch. Use the code Y391. You can get exactly up to 78% discount. And this is the first batch which is already start from 4th of July in which AFB class is already going on. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day. Any more question you can easily ask. And this is a bilingual batch and this is the JAIIB CAIIB ka Mahapack. If you are new in this batch, I just want to say you one thing. You can purchase this JAIIB ka Mahapack because this JAIIB ka Mahapack cover all the batches that we will launch for the November session. Power pack, case study batch, target batch, etc. Even test series will be available, ebooks will be available, everything will be available in this JAIIB ka Mahapack. By using the code Y391, you can easily get 78% of discount. Okay, so that's all for today's class. We will meet you tomorrow at 9 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. also.